Wednesday, and thanks for tuning in to today's episode here on Long Farms. Just gonna go over here behind the substation here and do a little field scouting. So since it's pretty warm outside, you won't need your boots or your coat, so just grab your sunglasses and let's go for a ride. My mom always said to look both ways before crossing the street. Some cars there, there. Because I hate to say it, because if a car was to hit me, there'd be beard hair, cake icing, and probably a little pizza sauce go everywhere. So I'd hate for that to happen, because that'd be a mess to clean up. Oh no, we're getting shot at! You wanna know what's cooler than a cold start diesel truck video is when you're at the house, which I'm just down the road from this substation here, and you hear a big old fat squirrel or raccoon get up on them power lines, and takes one wrong step, he gone. So we gotta go through this field here. Our field is way down yonder. This belongs to a gentleman, but that other field fixing to go to is some farmland that we rent. We've rented it, gosh, as long as I can remember. And I've got a good forgetter, so I can't remember how long we've rented it, but I know it's been quite a while. We had seatbelts in this thing, I tell you to put it on, it's a little bumpy, so just for your own safety, keep your arms and hands inside the vehicle while we're in motion. Ow! 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 Sorry about that. Is everybody here? There's 1, 2, the normal 12 people watch videos every week. Yeah, they're still here. Alright, so we've got to this field here. It's just one of our smaller fields. I guess it's about 12 acres or so, but we produced some pretty good hay out of this field. I guess last year, I was trying to think, I think we averaged about 8, possibly 9 or so rolls per acre out of this field. So just come over here to do some scouting, just to see if we need to bring the saw over here, cut any trees, do anything. But we'll be starting some spring fertilize here in about another month or so. So I'll be sure to definitely get some good videos of that if that's something that y'all would be interested in. Everything looks alright so far. We fixed up some spray back in the fall, and sprayed all around the edges of the field here under these trees to try and kill back all this stuff. So everything looks good over here. Except old Mr. Herford right there. He's grunting a little bit. I don't know if he's hungry or if he's got him a girlfriend. So that's one thing about farming. You never know what you're gonna see or what the cows may be mooing about. So I knew there was a gopher hole or a skunk hole here somewhere, so I didn't want to hit in his golf cart, but I'd rather not stick around and see what comes out of that hole. So I believe I'm just gonna get on out of here. Everything looks good over here. Looks like Mr. Cutshaw's put him in a new squeeze shooting working system. This right here is probably, we got some great views, but this field right here is probably one of my favorites. So that's something we're very fortunate about here to where we farm, with the great views we're lucky enough to see every day, that people will pay money to travel this part of the country, see this stuff, and good Lord's blessed us with, we get to see stuff like this every day. Well, looks like everything checks out here in this field, so I reckon I'll go back over here across the road. So I didn't mean to give it a full send in the golf cart there earlier, so just make sure and before I get started, buckle your seat belt, keep all hands and feet inside the golf cart while we're in motion. I'll try to go a little slower this time and not go full send like I did. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode here on Long Farms. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And and all that. That just lets me know that I'm hoping that y'all enjoy the content that I'm putting out. And even if you don't like what I'm content I'm doing, don't be afraid to let me know, because I know there's always room for improvement. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch y'all next time.